Hi guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Easter Bunny Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to start with one of the chalkboard signs from the Dollar Tree, and I am just going to cover all the writing on there with some of their removable wallpaper. This is the white board print. I really like this one, and we're going for a coastal Easter bunny on this one. So I do poke a hole in the wallpaper so I can put a new hanger on there just by using some twine. For the bunny itself, I'm using one of these great little classic bunny signs from the Dollar Tree, and I am just sketching that out on some burlap here using a chalk pencil so I can cut this out to size. I just have some scrap burlap here. You could always use the burlap from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to simply cut out the bunny. You could seal the edges with a little bit of Mod Podge if you're worried about it fraying, but I kind of just went with it on this one, and it turned out really cute. I want to cover the whiteboard sign with the burlap, and this is going to be the back of the bunny. I do a nice thick coat of Mod Podge all over and then lay the little burlap bunny right on top. I also sealed mine on top with more Mod Podge. This is totally optional, but I found that it helped it stick a little bit better since I did have that really rough, raw burlap, and I let that dry. I go around the edges and just trim it up a little bit to cut off any fraying that may have happened on the bunny since I didn't seal the edges. And then we're going to add this to that sign and decorate it for Easter. It's a perfect size sign. I love these chalkboard signs from the Dollar Tree. They can be really great for crafting. I also really like to use the wood shelves to make signs from the Dollar Tree. I just attach it with some hot glue, and then I'm going to add a sand dollar for the bunny tail using one of the little Dollar Tree Jenga blocks for a little spacer. You could always use the Shore Living sand dollars as well. Shore Living, where are you at Dollar Tree? I don't know where it is this year. I don't know if it's been discontinued. But for a bow, I'm going to do a simple X bow using one of those little seagrass bags from the Dollar Tree, cut into strips, some of their burlap ribbon and some of their blue Easter ribbon, cinching it all with a little zip tie right in the middle, super cute. And to cover up the little zip tie on there and for a little bit of decor, I'm using one of the tiny wood carrots from the Dollar Tree that I just stained with a little antique wax by Waverly. We're going to attach it here at the top of the sign, first the bow and then the little wood carrot. And right about right here, I think. Now I do want it to have a few more coastal touches. We already have the sand dollar for the bunny tail, but I thought some of these little tiny starfish would look cute for a little crown on the head. And I just put 5. I like to work with odd numbers with those. I thought about using some shells for the little bunny feet, but I didn't think that would really make sense. I get those little starfish on Amazon, and then I'm going to finish it off with some reindeer moss here along the bottom to make it look like the bunny is sitting in the grass. And we do have a lot of bunnies at our beach here. This is how it turned out. If you would like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, I have absolutely tons of them over on my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!